How can psychological testing be useful? Choose all that are correct. A. Predicting how well a person might do in a particular career. B. Assessing an individual's desired interests and attitudes. C. In revealing psychological problems. What does reliability refer to when it comes to psychological testing? A. The ability of a test to give the same results under similar conditions. B. The ability of a test to measure what is intended to measure. C. Ranking the test scores from low to high in a chart. Explain one way a person can determine the reliability of a test. You may use the audio option to record your answer. Fill in the blank. If a test you take in math class asks you questions about finding the area of a building, this would be an example of test blank. Reliability, standardization, validity, effectiveness. Choose all of the correct answers when it comes to standardization for testing. A. They must be administered and scored the same way every time. B. There must be a norm or average score made by a large group of people. C. Testing locations must be the same for every individual. A ranking of test scores that indicate the ratio of scores lower and higher than a given score is called A. Validity. B. A percentile system. C. Standardization.